name is Brian, and I've been living with my wife in this little camper for the last 4 years. I have a lot of things that I want to show you all. Right now, I'm going to be cleaning my Kodiak solar generator. I'm having a little problem. I'm going to show you what it is right now. So, I've had it for a year and 4 months now. It's been working good, but I have one problem. Since I put it in it's a little compartment like this one. I'll show you. It's right here. So I have I wanted the Kodiak to have a full ventilation. I mean, I want to have this kind of things somewhere where I know they will have a good ventilation. So I put it over there, but now it's all dusty, super dusty. I never went there and clean it or nothing. I was just sometimes powering the thing on and off, and it's still working really good. But the thing is that the little fans, they're like super dirty, and I remember turning it off like for a week because I wasn't gonna use the camper. But then I came back, and when I turned it on, the little fan in here, there's a fan. This is supposed to start working, and I don't want this thing to overheat. It was working. I made it work. I'm gonna be opening the Kodiak solar generator. Hopefully I'm not gonna burn the camper. I'm gonna try to do it as careful as I can, and I will try to clean out the dust. And then I'm gonna try to figure something out so I can put some kind of filter or something down there. So stay with me. So I'm gonna take all these screws. Please, I don't want to burn anything, please. Alright, so I found the way. You pull it up first, and then the whole thing comes out. Y'all can see what's inside of the Kodiak solar generator. It's well protected. Try to. Okay. So this is the fan that I know that it has to turn on. I was telling you that it's super dusty, and that's because I never, I put it in on the little compartment in there, and I've never taken it out. It's super dusty, so I'm gonna try to clean everything up. Like the controller for that's the battery right there. Those are the batteries, or the battery. And this right here will be like inverter. I'm gonna turn it on, and you see what I'm talking about. Every time I turn it on, come on. So it's working, but it's not working the way it's supposed to work. I'm gonna try to take it off. Just need to take this one and the other screw out. You can see. Alright, so I'm gonna try to clean these up, and I'm gonna reinstall it. I'm also gonna try to clean those little fans over there. This is very important because this will not let your Kodiak overheat. So it's very important for this to be functioning properly. My best bet is to replace the little fan. And we came here to Micro Center, which is like a store where you can find a bunch of things, computers and parts for computers. Necesito esta parte no sé si lo tienen. Dicen this to 31. Could be maybe it's this one right here. I don't know. I don't think so. It has this. one. Thanks, man. So this is how much is this? $3.49. Oh my god. Thanks. $3.49. So we got our dust remover also, and we got the fan. So right now we're ready to go and clean up the Kodiak solar generator. 806. Alright, first I'm gonna clean up all of the dust. Alright, so we're gonna try this too right now and see if they work properly, just to make sure that they're working good. So this one is working fine. Now let's try the other one. It's also working good. They both are in there, in place. I just need to put the new one, but I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna adapt it over here. Positive and negative. Alright, so I'm charging it right now, and it's about to get charged. It's about to be charged all the way up. It's just missing one little dot, but it's working fine. And it's blowing air. It's quiet. It's working good. This is basically the end of the video, guys. Thank God I didn't burn anything. It didn't explode or nothing. If you want to clean the fans of the Kodiak, because probably is super dirty, super dusty, now you know how to do it, at least the way that I show you. And I hope that you like and enjoy the video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel so you can watch all these other videos that I'm gonna be making. And I will see you next time. In my next video, we're gonna be hanging out with the surf team from El Salvador, and we're gonna be walking from Venice Beach all the way to Santa Monica Pier. Honestly, I had a great time with these guys. They came all the way from El Salvador to represent this great country here in Huntington Beach for the Vizsla Surf World Championship. So I will see you next time, guys.